In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create tags in Aweber. Tags are a simple but powerful way to organize your subscribers so you can send the right message to the right people. By the end, you'll know how to tag a single subscriber and how to tag a group all at once. Start by opening your web browser and searching for Aweber. In the results, look for the official Aweber site. It should be the one with the secure lock icon and the aweber.com domain. Click that link to head to their homepage or login page. If you already have Aweber bookmarked, you can use your bookmark instead. Next, click Sign In. Enter your account credentials and complete any security prompts if they appear. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, go to the subscriber section. Depending on your layout, you might see it labeled as Subscribers in the main menu. This is where you can view everyone on your list and manage their details. To add a tag to a single person, click on a subscriber's name to open their profile. Look for the Tags field on their details page. Click into that field and type the tag you want to use. Keep your tags short and descriptive, something like New Lead, Webinar Registered, or VIP Customer. Consistent naming helps you later when you build segments. If Aweber suggests an existing tag as you type, you can select it to stay consistent. When you're done typing the tag, press Enter to save it. You can add more than one tag by repeating the same action, pressing Enter after each one. If you want to apply a tag to multiple subscribers at once, head back to your subscriber list and select more than one person. Use the checkboxes to choose exactly who you want, or first, filter your list to narrow it down and then select them. This is great for tagging people based on recent activity or shared interests. With your group selected, find the small arrow next to Tag and choose the Tag All option. This opens a quick action panel. Enter the tag you want to apply or remove to everyone you selected. Double-check your spelling so you don't accidentally create similar but separate tags. When you're confident it's correct, click Tag Subscribers to confirm. Aweber will apply those changes to all selected profiles. And that's it. You've learned how to add a tag to one subscriber and how to tag a group in bulk. Use these tags to segment your list and personalize your campaigns with confidence.